Welcome to the video update for September the 4th of 2018, and what a great year it is. Okay, let me first cover off on an important subject, insurance. We see people not doing the right things, and that's dangerous, really, really dangerous. You want to make sure that you've got insurance for the building, for the content, and for landlord. Now, content, we don't have that much as the landlords, but we suggest between 20 to 25,000, depending on your circumstances, should be a minimum that is covered. Now, with regard to the landlord insurance, it's important to check that your company that takes out the cover covers you for periodic insurance. That is when the lease goes to month. At the end of a lease contract, sometimes there are periods where you've got month-to-month periodic rental. A number of the insurances don't cover for that. Make sure that you are covered for that. Now, the last point on insurance is we strongly suggest to have all three parts of the insurance with one company. That way, you have no hiatus, no gap between the companies and one blaming the other for having to fix up if anything happens. Last point, the RBA has left the rates the same for the 25th month. Great news. Some of the banks are actually increasing rates. We've seen that happen. Hence, there may be a good opportunity of looking at some of the fantastic fixed rates that are out there. So, over to you. Have a great month and enjoy.